continuing on the line of green hydrogen production, Julian's back to tell us more about how we can support the clean energy transformation. So first up, how can we accelerate the shift to green hydrogen in the energy market?
Well, first of all, Lily, I should say that everyone familiar with the transformation of the energy market knows that this will require multiple solutions and sometimes a combination of those. However, there is one that is growing at a mind-blowing pace, and that's the development of green hydrogen. I think it's really hard to find something to compare with, maybe in the digital sphere, but there we have to talk about physical assets, real plant and real manufacturing equipment. So really scalability is the biggest challenge of the green hydrogen development today. And at the same time, we have to make it efficient from the start in order to have a levelized cost of ownership on production of hydrogen that is as competitive as possible to the fossil alternative. So scalability and efficiency are probably the two of the greatest challenge in order to accelerate the deployment of green hydrogen.
And what makes Alfa Laval the perfect partner?
Well, we have 140 years of history. We're celebrating that this year, and we have been going through significant and major industrial transition or even revolution, you could say. And every time we have been able to develop technology, industrialize them, deploy them at scale. So we have that experience. We also have a culture of partnering, working together with our customers, with industrial peers, because we believe truly that working together will enable to develop better solution and faster solution. On the technology side, we have now proven facts that our components are enabling a more efficient green hydrogen total value chain, improving the round-trip efficiency from power to X and X to power. On the industrial side, we already have a global manufacturing footprint and supply chain footprint to deliver millions of plate heat exchangers across the world. And at the same time, we have the capabilities to engage with our customers to discuss standardization, modularization in order to accelerate the deployment of a green hydrogen solution. Last but not least, on why we're a good partner, we have an existing footprint of service capabilities in order to secure the maintenance of equipment throughout their lifetime, enabling a safe and reliable operation of green hydrogen solution and securing that they are really lasting. So that's why we're a strong partner to the green hydrogen industry.
Great, thank you so much, Julian. Let's finish off the segment with more info.
The perfect partner.
Yeah.
The perfect partner for me is someone who is respectful, sensitive. That's about it, really.
I see. And how about you, Tara? What does the perfect partner mean to you?
I think it's pretty obvious. Mm-hmm. You need reliability and efficiency in every step of the process. Top-notch equipment and experience, expert knowledge of heat management and cooling of electrolyzers.
I'm not quite sure.
Yes, you also need a worldwide presence. For the sake of future generations, the perfect partner is a person who has the technology to scale up and industrialize clean hydrogen. And safety is always a top priority.
Yeah,
You really need to optimize all aspects to make clean hydrogen the right solution in the future energy system. CAPEX, OPEX, overall round-trip efficiency for both water and energy. I can confidently say we have got it all covered. It's all about contributing to reach net zero. And I think that's something we can all agree to strive for. Right, honey?
I guess.